In the early 20th century, when tools were scarce and improvisation ruled, carpenters faced a real challenge: joining wood perfectly. There were no strong glues, no practical screws. The skill of making a flawless wooden joint was almost sacred, a family secret passed from generation to generation. It demanded patience, precision, and deep respect for the material. Many century-old pieces of furniture that still stand today were built using this nearly magical technique, proving that old-world craftsmanship remains unmatched.